Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of South Carolina. Now guys, remember, South Carolina is one of those states that has so much to offer, and that is one of the reasons why we're looking at the methodology by which how you can become part of South Carolina state, because it is one of those amazing states in the United States that has opportunities for everyone. If you want to do sailing, shipping, food, entrepreneurship, anything and everything is available in the state of South Carolina. And that is one of the reasons everyone is trying to start up their businesses in this particular state. But there's so many legal factors that need to be looked at. And that is one of the reasons why we make our amazing videos for you guys, to give you the proper insight and know-how how to actually start up a business in the state of South Carolina. So let's head over to our first platform. It's called LegalZoom.com. And this is where you can get the legal help in the United States and get the legal help that you need with their services and attorney advices. So whether you're starting a business formation, wills and trusts, and intellectual property, the attorneys are going to be with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million businesses turn their ideas around and help with 650,000 consultations. And obviously they will refund their fee within the first 60 days if you're unhappy with their services. So have the peace of mind knowing that the documentation have been legally recognized in every state, and you'll never need to leave home to work with a lawyer. There's no hourly charges and no surprises at all. And whether you need to form a company, apply for licenses and permits, or get a tax ID, you'll set up the business for success. All you need to do is click on the sort of business formation that you want, and you can start your business with confidence. There's 3 simple steps that you need to follow. All you need to do is tell the business name that you've picked, answer a few questions, and they will complete and file the paperwork for you guys. And if you want to speak to an attorney, you can do that by calling on this number at any time and get the legal help that you need by calling on this number. Now, there's a lot of questions people tend to ask me is, what is the requirement in South Carolina? How can you actually get started? And this is where the help comes in. So basically, this guide is going to help you start a limited liability company in South Carolina. Now, a limited liability company offers liability protections and tax advantages among other benefits for small businesses, guys. And if you follow these 6 steps, you can easily set up a limited liability company in the state of South Carolina. The first thing is name your South Carolina LLC. Now, obviously, your business name must include the words limited liability company. Your name must be different from existing businesses in the states, and the business name cannot contain words used by a government agency, and there's certain restricted words that may require additional documentation and license paperwork. And obviously make sure you have a URL availability and then reserve your name. Then you have to choose a registered agent, because South Carolina requires you to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or entity authorized to receive service of progress and other official legal documents and notices on behalf of your limited liability company. A registered agent can be a person including yourself and an employee of the LLC, or an entity that offers a registered agent service, which we're going to talk about in a minute. Then you have to prepare and file the article of organization. Now guys, the article of organization is a document that officially establishes your limited liability company by laying out basic information about it: your LLC name, the name and address of your registered agent, whether the LLC will be a delayed effective date, the duration or time period over which the LLC will exist, the management structures, the name and addresses of at least one LLC organizer, and the signature of each organizers in the limited liability company. And once you file your articles, the Secretary of State will review the filing. If the articles are approved, the limited liability company becomes a legal business entity. Then you receive a certificate from the state. The state will issue a certificate that confirms that the limited liability formally exists other the LLC formation documents are filed and approved. And this certificate will allow the limited liability company to obtain an employer identification number, your EIN, and business licenses and a business bank account. Then you create an operating agreement. This is very important because this is a document that outlines the way your LLC will conduct the business. South Carolina does not require an operating agreement to be filled, but it is an essential component of your business, guys, because you got to make sure the operating agreement includes the name, the principal addresses, the durations, the registered agent information, the article of organization, the purpose of business, the members' right, and responsibility, and obviously the members and their contribution, the way the profit and losses will be divided, and the members' voting power, the procedure for admitting new members as well as outgoing members, the management of the LLC, the actual liability causes, and determination what happens when a member wants to sell his or her share, dies, or becomes disabled. This may include buy, sell, or buyout provisions as well. Then the element comes off a get a employer identification number. The 9-digit EIN is assigned by the IRS to identify your limited liability company for taxes. You can obtain your EIN by mail or online through the IRS, and the purpose of the EIN is to file and manage taxes at the state and federal level, open a business bank account, and hire employees. Then comes the next step to actually register your LLC, giving you a legal foundation to conduct your business. Now guys, you may think this is a very tedious job, and that is very true. It is a very long haul thing to do, and there's a lot of factors that need to be pulled in to make sure you don't go wrong in any of these 6 points. And that is the reason why we're introducing you to this platform, which is called Incfile.com, the fast, free, awarding, winning company formation where you can join 1 million business owners that have set up their limited liability company with Incfile. And remember guys, starting a new business can be stressful and expensive. There's so much to do to file an LLC, varying from state requirements, numerous steps, and a lot of important documentation that leave plenty of room for error. Mistakes that can be costly, guys. And the best thing is the fact with Incfile, you'll pay the state fee to file your business, but Incfile doesn't charge any processing fee on top of that. Forming through an Incfile is free always, and you can choose to add on additional services with the premium packages. There is no hidden cost. It's 100% free. It has the fastest filing speed. You get a free registered agent and free compliance reminders, and you get the tools to grow and manage your business. And Incfile is a comprehensive set of services that has got you covered, from getting your EIN number to business licenses to submitting your annual report, and just choosing the service that suits your situation as and when you need them. From annual reports to registered agents to virtual addresses and even your EIN number. And you can get access to Incfile's business growth dashboard. All your business essentials are all going to be in one place. You can get reminders and compliance alerts, and you can grow your business with the additional service that you need to help you do that. And all you need to do is scroll down and click on Get Started. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page. Over here, you can select the entity type. There are 4 different entity types: the LLC, the S corporation, the C corporation, and the nonprofit. We're going to go with the LLC. Once you do that, you need to select the state of formation. Now we're going to focus on South Carolina, and that is where you will scroll down and select the state that you actually want to set up your limited liability company in. And once you do that, you can select from the 3 packages available: the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Now the state fee is $132, which is common amongst all the 3 packages. Now this is the state fee that you selected to charge to file a new business entity. This amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State. Incfile does not keep any part of this fee. But on the other hand, you have your package fee. The package price covers the cost to create, prepare, and file all the required legal paperwork on your behalf to properly form your new business entity. It also includes the cost for additional services and products in your chosen package. Now, if you go for the silver one over here, this is the lowest one with all the core features, and you don't have to pay any package fee, just the state fee of $132. You get preparation and filing of article of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, unlimited phone and email support. If you go for the gold one, you get the comprehensive features to get your business started for $331, for $199 for the package, and obviously $130 for the state fee, where you get preparation of filing of article of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, your EIN business tax number, your RS form 2553, operating agreement, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support, and business banking account, as well as the business tax consultation. But if you want to go for the platinum, you get the full service features at the best value at $431. This is a one-time transparent payment with a $299 for the package fee and $132 for the state fee. You get the business contract templates, free next day filing, domain name, and business email, and everything that's available in the silver and the gold. Now guys, my recommendation to everyone that is starting off their business for the first time is go for the platinum, because you get the right support, assistance to set up your business in no time. Now guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.